In this video, you will see how to remove double space between words in Word document. To remove the double space between the words, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and press H. You will see this Find and Replace window. Now click on Replace and next to the Find What, press spacebar 2 times so it is double space. So here we are finding double space, and next to the Replace with, press spacebar 1 time so it is a single space, and then click on Replace All, and you will see that here 5 replacements are made. After clicking on OK, as you can see, all the double spaces between the words have been removed. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.